Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The first, I would like to thank you for the Committee of Dental Research Exhibition and Meeting 2023. I will present my paper with the title The Effect of Aceh Gayo Coffee Consumption on Color Stability in Thermoplastic Nylon Dental Base. Introduction. The denture base is one of the components of the denture which is used as a place for denture attachment, which can restore the facial contour of the user so that it looks aesthetically pleasing. Thermoplastic nylon is one of the most widely chosen and developed polymer denture-based materials in dentistry because it has regular, tight, strong interchain bonds, insoluble in solvents, resistant to heat, and has high tensile strength due to its high tensile properties crystalline. The nature of thermoplastic nylon, which easily absorbs water, is feared to cause discoloration of the denture base due to the compound content in the liquid of Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee. This study was to determine the effect of coffee consumption on the color stability of thermoplastic nylon denture bases after using it many times by the patient. Materials and methods. As we see from the slide that picture shown, the samples were 8, which were printed in the form of discs with a diameter of 20 millimeter and 2 millimeter of thickness, with a total sample of 4 samples per group. Group A was treated to immersion in a solution of Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee for 7 days, and Group AR was treated to immersion in Aquades solution for 7 days. The sample was measured for changes in color stability using spectrophotometry with the brand Shimadzu UV 2401. The result from the table, we see that there is a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test values in immersion Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee solution. 2 changes in color stability on the denture base surface made of thermoplastic nylon after immersion for 7 days. There was a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test values in immersion Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee solution to the changes in color stability and surface roughness on the denture base surface made of thermoplastic nylon after immersion for 7 days. Discussion. This research was conducted using a UV 2401 spectrophotometer by Shimadzu to see how the results of the color changes on the thermoplastic nylon after immersion in a solution of Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee for 7 days. The immersion period in this study was determined with assumption that every time a person drinks coffee, it takes about 15 minutes. 1 week of immersion is equivalent to 7 days cross 24 hours cross 60 minutes to produce 10,080 minutes. Then divided by 15 minutes equal to 672 days. The calculation results are the same as 2 years of use. So from this calculation, assume the immersion for 7 days. The denture base made from thermoplastic nylon undergoes a change in color stability through its physical properties. This material can absorb water so that the solution particles can penetrate and affect the chemical bonds of thermoplastic nylon. According to Anushafish, the contact between the denture-based material and the colored liquid affect color change. The absorption process will occur by diffusion, namely the movement of materials through the gaps on the surface of the thermoplastic nylon, resulting in separation of the polymers from one another and reducing their strength. Tannins, which are very complex components of organic matter, are composed of phenolic compounds found in coffee and will penetrate the amide chains and occupy the intermolecular spaces in the amide chains, which cause a brownish discoloration. The conclusion, there is an effect of immersion Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee solution to the changes in color stability and surface roughness on the denture-based surface made of thermoplastic nylon after immersion for 7 days. The length period of immersion of the denture base made from thermoplastic nylon in the Gayo Aceh Arabica coffee solution affects the color change. The thickness of the denture base sample affect the color change also. I think that's all of my presentation. This is my reference, and thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.